So my husband and I decided to up our gardening game this year, and we decided it was time to replace our gardening tools. So the first thing we started with was our small gardening shovel, and I'm so glad we picked this one. I'm super impressed with it. I honestly didn't really think a gardening shovel could be exciting, but I am excited about this one. So what I specifically like is the handle. It's like a soft foam on the outside, so it's really soft and comfortable to hold. It's not like that hard plastic that I'm personally used to, so really impressed with that. It's also very, very sturdy, so again, really easy to hold and really gets the job done. As you can see, it comes with a protective cover for the shovel. It is pretty sharp, which I appreciate because it gets into those hard to dig spots when you have like some little rocks or pebbles or just hard soil, so it really gets the job done. I'm super impressed with the quality of the shovel, but let's go take a look at this in action outside.
So here it is outside. As you could see, it just really right away gets in there and gets the dirt out of the way. This is actually typically a spot I struggle with, and it really just got through the little pebbles and the layers of roots and things like that. Highly recommend.